What's going on, Laura here, back again with another beat tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make future bounce / disco house type beats similar to the style of Kaytranada and POMO. Here's a preview of what we'll be making today. Alright, so the BPM is set to 110. For the chords, it's going to be the same 3-chord progression throughout the entire beat. First chord, we have E as our bass, and then B, D, and F sharp. Second chord is a F sharp minor 7. The notes are F sharp, A, C sharp, and E. And the last chord, we have B as our bass note, and we have F sharp and another B note on top. The first preset I have is the Church Street Mixed Synth preset from Take a Day Trip's GarageBand sound pack. The sound design setting is set to Aquatic on Alchemy Synth. Here's what it sounds like by itself. Next, I layered that exact same chord progression with a luscious swirl synth pad from Selection's GarageBand sound pack, which, by the way, I have done reviews of both of these sound pack on my previous videos, so make sure to check that out if you haven't already. And then I decided to layer with one more synth sound, and it's the preset Lime Drop Synth Pluck from Selection sound pack. For bass, I'm using Solid Soul Electric Bass preset under Selection sound pack. The bass line is quite simple. It's just following the bass notes of the chords that we laid out, and it's the same bass line throughout the entire beat. Now let's talk about drums. It's important when making this type of genre that you get the bounce and the sound selection right. I have a kick drum sample here from my 100 kit. Link is in the description down below. Go ahead and check that out. For the kick pattern, I have a simple 4 on the floor pattern with a little double kick pattern sprinkled throughout the beat. The 4 on the floor pattern is pretty self-explanatory. If I zoom in on the double kick sample right here, you'll notice that the offbeat kick pattern is slightly off the grid. And there's really no right or wrong way of doing this. This is something you'll have to experiment and play around until it sounds good to you. Notice how it's not on the grid, it's slightly off the grid. Like this. I have a simple 2-step hi-hat pattern from Soulfire drum kit. Nothing too special here. Here's what it looks like. I have the velocity turned down slightly on the second note like this. I have the clap from the Cream Soda drum kit. And I'm also sprinkling some percussion hits from Cream Soda drum kit and Latin drum kit. Here are the notes. And yeah, that'll pretty much do it for our first ever future house / disco pop type beat. I'm definitely trying to expand my sound to more of a pop / house direction, so I figured I'd share this information with you guys for those that are also interested in making these type of music. Let me know in the comments down below which type of beat tutorial you would like to see next. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button if you found this helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.